guys, I'm going to steal some stuff off the Jimmy again before the lad comes to throw it away. Andy was saying the come next week, and so I want to get the brake pedal housing, because probably next year I'm going to put the power brakes in the Fargo, and I got the booster out, the master cylinder, all this sort of stuff. So I wanted to get the housing out of the assembly, and it is a real bitch. But after about an hour and a half I got it, and I just had to do a couple little adjustments to the dash. Oops. I guess somebody's going to have trouble putting that together. But anyway, just go red to red, blue to blue, white to black. I'm glad it's going to the junkyard. Anyway, I finally got it out, but it was a real bitch. You can't get that housing out, that assembly out, without taking the dash apart. But I think if anybody else is going to take the dash apart, they should do it the right way. Not my way with a sawzall and a sledgehammer and a pry bar. But my way is quicker. Another thing I want to do is, I think his name is Bad Hombre. Yeah, I've been watching his channel for some time. He took the gas tank filler door out of a car and he welded it into the floor of his rat rod as an access door to the master cylinder. My master cylinder and his master cylinder, most master cylinders, the old cars, are in the floorboard where the driver's seat is, just ahead of the driver's seat. But when I put the new master cylinder in, the access hole and the fill hole didn't line up properly. So I had to cut a hole in the floor in order just to get the fluid in. So I was watching his channel and he took the door. Now I got the door in the shop, so I'm just going to cut out the rest of it. I'm going to cut around here. That way I don't have to make a frame. Then I'll just weld that whole patch right in there. But anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. I should be cleaning my shop up after the mess I made taking the PT Cruiser out. But I got other things I got to do. I want to get these here done because you never know when that guy is going to show up. He says next week, but it could be the day after tomorrow or whatever. So I want to get whatever I can off of this here. But I think that's about it. I think I'm done with this piece of crap. Get the spoiler off there, put her on the truck. Apparently it's supposed to make it go faster or slower or something. I don't know. Anyway, that'll be the last thing I put on my truck is a spoiler. Anyway, talk to you later. We'll get the shop done pretty soon, I hope. It's a whole lot cooler in there because it's 82 degrees out here and humid, and it's 71 degrees in my shop. The dog's in there now and he won't even come out. He's laying on the cement floor. The cement floor is probably about 60 degrees. But anyway, I'm going to wrap this here up and I'm going to go in the shop and clean up so I can start working on my Fargo.